Hi. This is a studio standard Fisher CA800. This is my second video. Finally, I got my transistor. So already installed the transistor for the left channel, and still I'm waiting for some capacitors to come, and that will be maybe in a week. Then it's going to be totally recapped completely. So for now it works both channels and sounds absolutely fantastic. Let's see. Well, the conclusion is that this amp is amazing. I mean, it sounds so good, so much power. The sound is so warm and detailed, it's unbelievable. I didn't expect something that good from Fisher actually. But you know, I saw the reviews to this particular models, the 800 and the older model 880. They rocks. The people like it, and they said they get great reviews in terms of the sound and the price range. So this is really a nice sounding, beautiful amplifier. And believe it or not, it's built nicely and it's heavy as hell. This amplifier. It's not like other models, you know, all plasticky, weighs like a feather, and sound pure garbage. But not this one. This one is as good as any. Very nice, good quality. vintage integrated amplifiers like Pioneer, some others. And there's another thing, like this particular models uses, not this particular, usually Fisher uses that particular kind of transistor, that's the STK transistor, kind of like integrated two transistors in one in PNP, which is in push-pull format, Darlington push-pull format, and there is a special project on internet I read recently, and I selected this board because compatible with these amplifiers, and you can put totally discrete transistors in it, and you can upgrade it like a total discrete transistor. It will be a lot more reliable, and that's good. But that project, each one of them costs like 50 something dollar. It would cost like more than $100 to get that upgrade actually. I'm thinking about it. I might do that. You know, I might do that. You know, sometimes I was thinking to sell this amplifier. Now I'm more thinking to keep it actually. Let's see. Let's see. Thank you for watching. Next time I'm gonna put it on the system when I recapped everything, all the capacitor get here and recap completely. Then I'm gonna put it on my system. Then we're gonna listen it again. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.